A mechanic in Ohio just refused to work on his third Honda Passport this month. Not because he was busy. Not because he was lazy. But because the repair bill was $8,700. And the SUV only had 47,000 miles. He told the owner one thing. Sell it now, before the real problems start. And that's why this video exists. There are 7 SUVs mechanics are begging customers not to buy in 2026. Not because they hate these brands. But because they know what's coming. We're talking catastrophic failures. Recalls that don't actually fix anything. And repair bills higher than the vehicle's value. By the end of this video, you'll know which popular SUV has a transmission mechanics call a ticking time bomb. Which one is facing a class action lawsuit for an engine defect the manufacturer refuses to fix? And which SUV at number 1 has already cost owners over $47 million for a problem that never should have existed? Let's begin. Number 6, 2021 to 2026 Nissan Rogue. This is the SUV with the CVT nightmare. The Nissan Rogue is one of America's best-selling SUVs. And one of the most feared in repair shops. The reason? CVT transmission failure. Mechanics report failures starting at 60,000 miles, some as early as 40,000. Symptoms always follow the same pattern. Shuddering, hesitation, loss of power, then total failure. Replacement cost: $6,500 to $7,000. One Michigan mechanic has replaced 23 Rogue CVTs in 18 months. Average failure mileage, 67,000 miles. Nissan extended the CVT warranty after lawsuits, but here's the catch. They deny claims by blaming owners for not changing lifetime fluid that the manual never required. Even worse, most transmission specialists refuse to rebuild Nissan CVTs. Their verdict: flawed belt and pulley design, inconsistent hydraulic pressure, inadequate cooling. Replacement units fail just as often. Resale values have collapsed. Dealers won't stock them. A Rogue that should be worth $22,000 now sells for $14,000. Because buyers know what's coming. Number 5, 2020 to 2026 Ford Explorer. This SUV is destroying Ford's credibility. Since 2020, the Explorer has had 9 recalls. Yet mechanics still see the same failures after repairs. Rear suspension issues return within 10,000 miles. Some owners have visited dealers 7 times for the same problem. Then there's the 3.0L EcoBoost V6. Timing chain stretch, turbo failures, and engine damage so severe. The entire engine must be removed to repair it. Police departments are abandoning Explorer fleets due to breakdowns. Maintenance costs have doubled. Some units needed 3 major repairs before 60,000 miles. Electrical issues make it worse. Frozen digital clusters. Infotainment crashes. Safety systems deactivating while driving. Dealers admit privately. There is no permanent fix. Number 4, 2022 to 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. 3 rows. 3 times the problems. This SUV is plagued with electrical failures. Screens going black at highway speeds. Safety systems shutting down. Computers replaced repeatedly with no solution. Then comes the shocker. The 3.6L V6, once reliable, is failing early in this platform. Engine seizing with no warning. Warranty claims denied, build quality is collapsing. Loose trim, sagging headliners, peeling dashboards. On $60,000 SUVs. Depreciation is brutal. 1-year-old models are losing 35% of their value. Number 3, 2021 to 2026 Hyundai Palisade and Kia Telluride. This one will upset people. These award-winning SUVs are experiencing engine seizures between 50,000 and 90,000 miles. Metal shavings in oil. Bearing failures. Rod knock. Hyundai and Kia deny claims over tiny technicalities. Even being 47 miles late on an oil change. Some owners wait 6 to 9 months for replacement engines. And worse? Replacement engines are failing too. Lenders are now hesitant to finance used Palisades and Tellurides. Because the engine risk is so high. A 10-year warranty means nothing if the manufacturer won't honor it. Number 2, 2024 to 2026 Chevrolet Traverse. This redesign has been a disaster. Brand new Traverses are suffering transmission failures under 10,000 miles. GM calls it normal break-in behavior. Mechanics call it failure. The 2.5L turbo engine adds turbo seal failures, oil consumption, and total engine loss. Some engines failed before 9,000 miles. Electrical failures include total system shutdown at highway speed, black backup cameras, random safety feature deactivation. Dealers admit GM rushed this SUV to market. Customers are now beta testers for a $45,000 vehicle. Number 1, 2022 to 2026 Toyota Tundra/Sequoia. This is the most disturbing one. Toyota's legendary reliability is being destroyed by the 3.5L twin-turbo V6. Engine failures at 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Turbo failures. Bearing damage. Complete seizures. Toyota is denying warranty claims aggressively, blaming fuel quality and driving habits. Fleet owners report multiple engine failures across the same vehicles. Replacement engines are failing again. Internal sources say Toyota knows the design is flawed. But fixing it would cost billions, so they're denying claims instead. Mechanics are refusing to work on these engines due to liability. They all give the same advice. Sell it before the warranty expires. Final warning. 7 SUVs. Thousands of failures. Millions in repair bills. These aren't isolated incidents. They're known problems manufacturers refuse to fix. If you're shopping for an SUV in 2026, avoid these at all costs. Your mechanic will thank you. Your wallet will thank you. Hit like if this saved you from a terrible decision. Subscribe, because we expose what manufacturers don't want you to know.